Greeting you guys from Low Tatras, and I'm on nearly on top of the world. I'm actually at the moment on Hopok and around 2000 meters above sea level. So let me show you guys where I am at the moment. As you can see here. So I don't have to cover myself up at the moment, but down in south is around 32, 35 degrees. But soon you come up to the Tatras, it's really cold. Right now I can see maybe hundreds of meters far away. I can see it's clear at the moment, but maybe 10 minutes ago it was really misty and you couldn't see nothing. So I'm after the Kamzik and the Swish. So these are mountain goats and I'm going after them. So I really hope I'll be very lucky with the weather, and of course that I'm really hoping that I'm going to find them too. So come along and let's see what we see. So the path is quite nice here. It's really nicely walkable, as you can see here. Flat stones put down, so that's really good. And then the information what I given is just basically keep on walking towards Jeresh. I should be able to see on the left the Swish, and I should be see on the right the Kamziks, the mountain goats. So please God, I'll have the shot that I'm after and I'll be very happy. If not, I'm already a winner because this view here is just absolutely beautiful. But fingers crossed, and hopefully we only need just one decent shot. So let's see. Look at this view, guys. That is some view. Look at this. Oh man. What a view. This is just gorgeous. Wow. Mountains, forests, nature. We don't want anything more from this. Amazing. Right, I'm still walking, but I think I'm gonna take out at least my binoculars, so hopefully I can spot something and it will give me a good health for anyways. FYI, I'm not sure how long or how I was able to last without binoculars so long. I've been doing wildlife 6-7 years and only got just now one, and it's a game changer, so make sure you get one. Okay, let me see if I can see anything here. No, nothing yet, but I think I'll be able to see them. Hopefully I'll find them. So I'm still walking. For the Swish, basically the Marmots, they could be here already. Although I have to take my time. I have to take my time to see them and find them. But apparently they are like lizards. Not not sure how much you can hear, but apparently they are like lizards. They only come out mostly on the for the sun to kind of warm up and all. So hopefully I'll be lucky. But I saw some tourists and they saw no mountain goat kamziks. So anyway, I still have my hopes up. So hopefully we'll see something. But still, I'm just in awe with this nature. Yeah, let's go and search for them. Actually, he's coming up. He's running up. He's running up. Okay, this is crazy. I'm sorry, I couldn't vlog. I saw him. Let me quickly explain to you. I want to get off from the grass because I'm not supposed to, so I'm sorry about that. But I was all the way up there and the goat was here, way down, but I saw him running up, so I had to sprint all around and I met him on the other side and I was able to get the shot. I got a decent shot. This is all I said, that this is all I want. And this beautiful Kamzik gave it to me. So I thank you. Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry I couldn't vlog this because I just could not vlog this because I had no time. I had to act really fast. Look at this. Look at this big drop. Oh, I had to run so much. Okay, let me get off the grass so no one gives out to me, and let me show you the shot. Woo. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, I'm on the path. Let me show you. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not even sure if it's gonna be good, but let's see. Oh lads, I got a shot. Let me show you. Oh mine. Oh my. It's sharp. Yes. I'm super happy. The day isn't over, so I'm gonna go continue this beautiful trail a little bit longer further, and then we might get the Marmot too. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm just continuing the same road now, the one that I ran back, and we spotted also a marmot, the swish. Now he was really far, so I didn't even attempt to photograph it, but I have a record of it. He was just on the big rock, lying down and taking in the little sun that is out now. As I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but they are pretty much like the lizards. They're coming out on the heat and then trying to gather all the heat and as much heat as they can. So yeah, continuing the same road now, and hopefully we'll see more. Oh, hello guys. Man, this is exhausting. Anyhow, I've been walking the past 30 minutes towards a direction, but there was nothing, and few of the lads text me to not to go so far and just go back more towards back where I started from. And I'm gonna just try to photograph the marmot now, although we're gonna have to hit the road soon because I live far from here, around 2 hours. I live way down the south, although I just taking the whole lot in. I know I keep saying it on this vlog that how beautiful it is and all that kind of stuff, but this is breathtaking. This is just beautiful here. I think we spot a marmot down just this way, but the terrain is really bad. Like it's like terribly big rocks and unstable, and also I have to take my time. So I'm gonna try to go close to him. That's gonna be my first and last try, and then gonna have to go and hit the road. Fingers crossed, and let's try. I'm gonna take 5 more minutes here. Catch my breath. And these rocks are really like they just rough and cut you. So I'm gonna have a drink too, actually. It's great for your conditioning and for your legs. Oh man, that's good. Super happy I got the right boots and everything. You definitely need good boots here. Alright, let's go and try. Okay, I just found him so close. Not the best shot. He's watching me. I'm trying not to scare him. So I'm just gonna stay put and wait. Hopefully it comes out more for a better shot. So I really hope you like this video, and I really hope that you guys subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And you can also follow me on Instagram here. And yeah, I'm gonna spend a few more minutes here with him, and it's time to head back. See you guys around. See you in the next one. Ciao.